Welcome to Cozy Corner Books for You. We encourage the love of reading. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe to our channel, like our video, and leave a comment. Let's cozy up with I Love You Mommy by Edie Evans, illustrated by Melanie Demmer. My mommy always finds a way to make me feel special every day. Because she's fun and caring too, I love everything we do. We sometimes go to the street fair to see the neat attractions there. Maybe we'll eat hot dogs on sticks and see a magician doing tricks. At the stadium, we clap and cheer for the baseball players every year. Together, we love to stand and shout, 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out. When lightning comes and raindrops fall, we stay indoors and have a ball. We bake bread, then eat it warm, and forget about the thunderstorm. The museum I like best of all is filled with dinosaurs big and tall. Mommy takes me all around to see the bones found in the ground. Quiet time inside is nice. We play a game, sometimes twice, or make puppets from old socks Mommy keeps in a homemade box. Basketball is my favorite sport. I shoot and dribble down the court. Mom's the coach, and she helps me to be the best that I can be. Everything we do and see becomes a treasured memory. I love you, Mommy, and this is true. The greatest gift is a hug from you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel, like our video, and leave a comment. Bye for now. Let's cozy up with another book soon.